Welcome to Meta Environmental Online. This video explains how to sign up for one of our courses online to help you learn or become certified. First, go to our website, www.metaenvironmental.net. There you will see a menu at the top. Hover over the text Classes, and the drop-down menu should appear below. Click on Self-Paced Online Courses. This will take you to the Self-Paced Online Courses page. You will see Meta's online training information and important disclaimers. Scroll down to see a list of our online courses. This will take you to a list of our classes to choose from. Select Register for the class you wish to enroll. For these asbestos refresher courses, you will have an additional step. First, you will choose if you need an EPA state license, such as Iowa, Kansas, or Nevada. If you need certification for Alabama, Florida, Missouri, Louisiana, or Tennessee, select it from the Choose Your Specific State drop-down. Select N/A if you do not need any of these states. The Alabama, Florida, Missouri, and Tennessee certifications can also be used for EPA states due to reciprocity. If you need an EPA certification and a state-specific certification, there will be no extra charge. If you need more than one of these specific states, select them below from Add Additional States. Each additional certificate is $60. Pay close attention to the red text below the Register button. The Louisiana Regulations course is 2 hours and has to be taken in person. Reach out to our customer service team to enroll in one of the upcoming classes. After all of this, click Register to proceed to the checkout page. You will see this checkout page. You can also click Continue Shopping to add more courses to your cart. For the classes with the Register button on the main page, it will immediately take you to the checkout page after clicking. Now on the checkout page, you put your information: name, company, billing address, phone number, email address, and a password, which is used to access your learning account. One email address can be used to create one account only. If you need to register more than one student, please go through the checkout process for each registrant or contact customer service for an alternative. You can also add any additional info in the Order Notes section. Make sure the zip code matches the one on the card you're using to pay. Also, make sure to choose the state from the drop-down menu you want to get certified in. This menu shows all the states that accept self-paced online courses. Then finally, add your credit card info, and once everything is completed, click Place Order. You will see this Thank You for Your Order screen next. Congratulations! You successfully enrolled. And now that you're in, your account has been created. To view your account, you can either click on the little blue icon on the top of the page or My Account on the bottom of the page. You will also receive 2 emails. One is an order confirmation. The second email confirms that your account is created. You can begin this course anytime after the order is confirmed. Happy learning! Please feel free to reach out whenever you have questions by email or phone.